likes to work with a dirty surface. Here's a great way to keep your Flip display clean and ready for its next interaction. The Flip already delivers peace of mind with a built-in antimicrobial coating which helps minimize microbial growth. Plus, the display is wrapped in a proprietary shatter film protection, which ensures the display stays intact in the event of a break. To clean the display, use a slightly damp microfiber cloth and simply wipe gently using no additional products until the display is visibly clear of streaks, smudges, and fingerprints.